Have you ever watched a video and thought, I wish I could get this exact thumbnail? Well, you can. In this video, I'll show you how to extract a high-quality thumbnail from any video in just a few clicks. Open Canva and go to the Apps section. In the search bar, type Video Frame and open the app. Click here to upload or select the video you want to capture a thumbnail from. Once the video starts playing, click Extract and choose the exact frame you want to use. If you're happy with the result, click Add to Design. Finally, adjust the extracted image on your canvas, and your thumbnail is ready to use. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more Canva tips, tricks, and easy-to-follow tutorials. See you in the next one.